With Teams Manager, you can separate your data by region by creating teams and tenants in different locations and ensuring that the data is stored accordingly. If you're new to Microsoft 365 Multi-Geo and want to learn more about its benefits, check out our blog post linked in the description. To use this feature, open the Teams Manager app, go to Settings, switch to Expert Mode, and navigate to Governance, then click on Geolocation. Before enabling this feature, make sure you have both a Teams Manager Enterprise license and the Microsoft 365 Multi-Geo add-on included in your Microsoft 365 subscription. If these licenses are missing, you'll see the following error page in Teams Manager. If all the required licenses are in place, you can activate geolocation in Teams Manager with a single click. You can choose to let users select their own location or disable this option so that a default location is applied automatically. Finally, you can select the specific locations where users are allowed to create teams. And that's it. You now have full control over where your Teams Manager data is stored. If you'd like to learn more about how Teams Manager can support your company's governance processes, you can download it from the Teams App Store or book a free demo on our website.